I grew up in Oliver Springs, so I've been in this area my whole life. When I was born, I had a heart murmur. They wasn't really sure why, and then they noticed at one of the doctor's appointments, I actually turned completely blue and quit breathing. So they're like, okay, something's going on. So they ended up finding out that I had a hole in my heart. And then when I was 9 years old at one of my checkups, they noticed my heart murmur wasn't any better. It was kind of worse, and that something else was going on. So they had to do a couple more tests. And then they found out whenever I was 9, I had a total different heart condition, and it doesn't show any signs. So if I wasn't already at the doctor's visits, they would have never found that. And so typically kids die by the age of 12. And there's no signs. So thankfully, I had the hole in my heart that I was at Children's Hospital. So then they figured out the other issue with my heart. When I was 9, I had my second open heart surgery so that I could fix that issue. It means the world to me what they were able to do for me as a child, because if they couldn't found that, and fix that, then I wouldn't be here today. I wouldn't have the life that I have. I wouldn't have the chance to be able to be a mother and to have all these amazing memories and crazy kids. So I'm so thankful they were able to take care of me so that I can be here today and live the life that I have now. I work at Pipe Wrench Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling, and if it wasn't for the community and all of our local neighbors, we would not be where we are today. We're super excited that we're able to work with East Tennessee Children's Hospital, be able to give back to them because they mean so much to the community and they mean so much to us.
We're super thankful that there's someone that was a patient here that now works for an organization that has the monetary ability to give back to us. The first piece of their donation is actually going $10,000 to our Mental Health Initiative Fund. This year, the funds are going directly to licensed clinical social workers that will be present in our emergency department.
Pipe Wrench is so thankful to Children's Hospital for not only taking care of our Pipe Wrench family, but for taking care of our community's families too. What really inspired this partnership, of course, is one of our employees, actually my best friend, Beth Sweet. We grew up together, and she had to deal with surgeries time and time after again on her heart and everything, and Children's Hospital really came through and always took care of her. I don't know how I could ever repay them because they gave me my best friend, so we're just so thankful to be partnering with Children's Hospital.
I know they're amazing at their job. They take care of kids, they know kids, they love kids, and they'll always make sure that they do what it needs to be done to take care of our kids.